Yeah, it's Ray from Pro Shaper Sheet Metal in Charlton, and we're looking at that 37 Riley Sprite. And it's been here for about a month now. It was brought out by Mike from Tennessee, who paid for Brian Stitt's 240-hour coach building class. This is what the fender on the right side looks like currently. You can see it's pretty battered. It's been heavily ground, molested, and it's got surface imperfections all over the place, lots of bodge repairs. And it was missing this boot lid, and Brian had a real springy English wheel, and he had a good amount of experience with it, but he had never made any big panels. This is the biggest panel he's ever made. And now he went right off the first days of the class making this boot lid, which has been missing from the car for like 35 years or so. There was no boot lid at all, just that aluminum spear that goes down the middle. So we had a bunch of photographs of what it was supposed to look like, and I instructed Brian into making this wire form out of hot rolled stock, 1/2 inch by 1/8 inch. And we got green tape on it so you can see it, plus that protects the aluminum. And from that wire form, which he faithfully followed the look and flow from we'd be able to get from the pictures. From that wire form, he made this side, and it's 2 pieces, a left and a right on this boot lid. And then we made a flexible shape pattern. Here's the flexible shape pattern. And that allowed him to take that flexible shape pattern, turn it inside out, and then the other side was made. So that's how the second side of the boot lid was made. Right now it's just tacked together, and he tipped all the edges, wired them. It's got a really nice fit. It still needs a little bit of touch up here and there, but it's a really nice job overall. And this was a new rear fender that was made. A lot of it was made by a 19-year-old student at my 130-hour class. It was the first panel he ever made, and he's left actually about a week or so ago, and Brian had to do all the welding. There's 4 pieces in it. We made the fenders and everything exactly the way that Riley made them back in 1937. So they have 4 pieces in this rear fender, exactly cut and shaped exactly like they did it when it was brand new. And Brian did all the welding and the fitting, and between Riley's work and his work, it came out as good as it gets. And then Brian made this beautiful front fender. Again, it was all bodged like the other side. It had been in a major accident back in 1939 and had repairs back then and all kinds of bodge repairs since. And it's just a really outstanding looking fender. And that whole side view just really works really nice. The car has beautiful proportions. The fender is good looking from just about any angle, and Brian did a superb job on it. This is the radiator shell, which is a replacement radiator shell, just sitting on there right now. And you can see the inside of the fender. And Brian's hoping to bring this back to his shop in Mansfield, Ohio. And now he has all the skill sets that he was lacking, and he's tuned up the ones that he did have, and he hopes to finish the car for the owner, Mike. So I just want to introduce you to Brian. Excellent student, unbelievably great worker, does a superb job. If anybody's looking for any panel work or restoration work or hot rod work, seek out Brian Stitt, S-T-I-T-T, in Mansfield, Ohio. He's one of my best students ever. I'm very impressed.
If anybody wants to learn panel shaping, I definitely recommend coming here, Pro Shaper. It's taught me invaluable lessons that I wouldn't be able to find by myself.
Oh, thank you, Brian. Well, that's it for now from Charlton, Massachusetts, 1937 Riley. It's just scary good. It's beautiful. Thank you.